Hello everyone, this is Tammy and today I'm going to be making some meatball bake. This is going to be my meal prep for the week every day, but I know that it's going to be ready for on the go whenever I want to. And I'm going to be trying all the cheeses that I have in preparation for the dairy-free challenge. Mixing all the cheeses that I have with. I have cheddar, I have mild cheddar, mozzarella strings, Colby Jack string. I'm going to freeze most of them, so whenever we're ready to eat. But you know, I already have them in there, so I'm going to be using sofrito for the meat, for the beef. Then I have some basil, parsley, I have garlic, I have onions, I have cilantro, and I have my filet, salami, pepperoni. That's pretty much what I'm going to be using. Meatballs, and then cook them a little bit. And then after that, then I'm going to set in the foil molds, and then I will show you all the final product looks. I'll see you all soon. You know, I know a lot of people like to put like breadcrumbs as a substitution for it, but I like them just like that. The sauce, because remember